In this video, we're going to talk about the word family et. We're going to start with n, the letter N. N, et, net. I have a net that I catch fish with. Again, we have et, but now we have the letter M. Et, met. I met you on the street yesterday. Met. Now we have et, let. Let me help you with that. Et, jet. I took a jet plane on vacation. Et. I need to get some milk at the store. Get. Fret. Et. Fret. Don't fret. Everything will be okay. Et. Bet. I bet you won't forget my birthday this year. Bet. Et. Yet. Are we going to the store yet? Et. Wet. I don't like being all wet. Wet. Et. Vet. My cat does not like going to the vet. Vet. Et. Set. Don't set the hot plate on the table. Set. Et. Pet. I love to pet my dog. Pet. And we're back to net. So these are really simple to make. If you want to do a reproducible, you can take 2 paper plates and you can put them together, and you can just put the letters around, and you can put a paper plate on top and just cut out the little part here. You can use a brad, or if you want to just put them on top of each other and they can just kind of slide around. Thanks so much.